Hey everyone! I don't know if you've heard about these Target beauty boxes, but they sell them online for $7 each, and they have a lot of beauty products in them and some coupons I've heard. I haven't gotten one before, but they're actually starting to sell them at Target now, and there was a display at my store today, so I picked up 2 of them. There are 4 different ones. My Target only had 3, and I really wanted the 4th one that they didn't have, but they either didn't get it or it sold out super fast. But I went there the other day and they didn't have these yet, so I got these to unbox. The other one was a mask one, which I have lots of masks, so I didn't pick that one up, but this one is Treat Yourself, and then I got the one called Beautiful. If you're curious about like what's in them before you buy, they have like examples of everything that's in them on the back. And I will just say that it smells really good. All I did was take the plastic off. I haven't opened these yet, but it smells really good. Let's see if I can open this one-handed though. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you open it. Probably just gonna take everything out. Okay, so there's this Me Bath Bomb Tiny Me Lavender Lullaby. Looks like it's a 1 bath bomb to try. So that's exciting because I love bath bombs. Going to the coast this weekend, so I'm going to try that. And then there's this Luxe by Mr. Bubble Melt Away Bath Candies. Sweet and clean. Place 3 meltaways into warm bath water and let your skin drink in rich hydration. So another bath bomb type thing. What is this? Looks like Honest Beauty Gel Cleanser. And then a Free and Lovely by Body Ecology Coconut and Rose Softening Body Butter. And Dr. Teal's Pink Himalayan Foaming Bath Essential Oils. And my bird just wants to say hello. He's being very loud. Ooh, a Burt's Bees Tinted Lip Balm in Red Dahlia. That's cool. And then this looks like a really big trial size of Olay Regenerist Whip. That's exciting. And a little card to tell you all about it. And it looks like a whole book of coupons. And they're Target coupons. So there's $1 off Bodycology Free and Lovely, $3 off of the Olay Whip, which you could use with the Olay coupon, manufacturer coupon, $1 off 2 Dr. Teal's products, $2 off of the Mr. Bubble, $1 off of the 6-count bath bombs, and $3 off of Honest Beauty purchase, so 15 or more. Probably shouldn't be doing that. Okay, and then the second box. This one. One second. Okay, so this is what this box looks like. If it wants to show, like, there we go. So dump all of that out. Okay. There's another thing about it. Okay, so we got e.l.f. Gotta Glow Lip Tint in Perfect Pink. That is really pretty. What else we get? Another Honest Beauty Younger Face Deep Hydration Cream. a little package of simple micellar makeup remover eye pads. And Nexus shampoo. And a Nexus conditioner. And L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser. Clay to mousse. And then got a sample of the Ollie Undeniable Beauty for hair, skin, and nails in Grapefruit Glam. And a nail polish by in Galaxy. That's pretty. It's by Sinful Colors. Can't really see it that well. And then as for coupons, got a $2 off of the vitamins, which we have manufacturer coupons, or we did. A $1 off the Simple Facial Care. $1 off L'Oreal Paris Pure Clay. $2 off of the Nexus Hair Care. $3 off Honest Beauty purchase of 15 or more. So, those are exciting. Let me know if you guys find these and you get them and you like them, or if you got one of the other boxes and what was inside of those. Bye guys!